What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Cardano today. So Cardano is now at $1.68. That's a really good amount here at Cardano. We're all the way up here, almost at a $54 billion market cap. So that is really good right here. And 3.5 billion traded in the last 24 hours. So a lot of money is flowing through Cardano right now. So looking at the chart with Cardano, we are actually going on an uptrend right now. So let's just do a quick little technical here, because we know with Cardano is less about the technicals, more about the fundamentals, because that's just how Cardano is. Cardano is fundamentally sound and is one of those cryptos that have a lot of different uses. So without further ado, let's look at Cardano. So looking at the uptrend that we are on now, we can bet that Cardano is about to break out, or something's about to happen with Cardano. So whenever we have these consolidations, whatever is more dominant, either we have a lot of buying or a lot of selling. If you have a lot of buying, we'll end up breaking out of this consolidation and going up, and if you have a lot of selling, we'll end up going down. Right now it looks like it's lower on the trend line, but like I said, the trends and like the not the fundamentals, but the technicals really don't matter with Cardano, because the long term, we know Cardano is good. So we're just looking at short term views right here at Cardano, but long term, we know Cardano has a lot of stuff going on with it. So we are projected to break out in the short term, but remember, long term, Cardano will continue to grow even after all of these flurries that we have. So we always have these little jumps in Cardano, and then it'll dip a little bit, but then it'll keep going on and on and on and on. And that's kind of how Cardano is moving right now. So we'll get into all the other news with Cardano, but let's go over there and look at what we have here. So Adax, the Cardano-based decentralized exchange that's changing the status quo. So for those not familiar with the Adax, it's an automated market maker that serves users on the Cardano network. It's set to rival the biggest DEXs out there due to the overwhelmingly favorable attributes of the Cardano ecosystem. So over here, let's look at the Adax. So this is the Adax right here, the decentralized exchange protocol. So yeah, big things going on here with our Cardano. Let's go ahead and click back here and keep reading here with this article. Created to deliver a seamless trading experience in a decentralized setting, Adax is posed to make users transact smoothly on the Cardano network. On Adax, people can expect to trade freely without the many restrictions that have made centralized exchanges unpalatable. So a lot of things happen going on here with Cardano. Cardano has a lot of different things that are being built on it, just like Ethereum. Ethereum is the exact same, and I see a constant, it's a constant thing with these different cryptos. Like if you watch them, you see the ones that really thrive the most are the ones that have the most use cases. And right now, Cardano and Ethereum are being those two major cryptos. And then Bitcoin obviously is just a store of value, and people like it because of that. And then Dogecoin, it has a community and people like it because of that. So I'm seeing that every single crypto that is successful has something that it really locks down like perfectly. And right now, Cardano is just making everything more simpler for people. This is just a lot of different things are going on with Cardano, which is making Cardano like one of the top cryptos right now. So let's keep on reading here. It says DeFi protocols might not be renowned for their security architecture, but Adax intends to change the narrative. Trades on the Cardano hosted DEX are bound to be safe, in addition to how quickly they get completed. For users, swap fees among decentralized exchanges aren't encouraging. This has caused most to settle for the known devil centralized exchanges just to escape such fees. Adax plans to change that perception. Its swap fees are the lowest, which should encourage some more users. So they're saying they have the lowest swap fees, which should encourage more users. So what is Adax? Adax is an automated liquidity protocol that facilitates trades within the Cardano ecosystem in a completely decentralized and non-custodial way. Adax has no order book. We eliminate all intermediaries, complexity, and cumbersome procedures from the equation, offering users untrammeled freedom to trade without censorship or loss of control over their assets. Users can maintain full control of their tokens and are not required to give up their private keys, so that their orders can be logged as they are on a centralized exchange. So this is huge right here. This is another big thing for the whole decentralized community. So look at this, solving market problems right here. Liquidity stress. An issue with current liquidity pools in existence is their dynamically changing ratios. Liquidity providers have an incentive to provide liquidity to low volume assets for higher rewards, as they get a share directly proportional to the volume they provide to the pool. Unfortunately, this is not enough reward in most cases, as impairment loss is rampant in low volume assets, which means that occasionally it is not worth the risk/reward for liquidity providers. Adax works on a different model that will address these concerns. So this is a lot of different stuff is going on here. Look at this, all yours. These are the fees that they're talking about. They're low fees that they say is lower than everyone. Adax fee model is 0.3% swap fee distribution, and then 0.17.5% for the taker, 0.12 for the maker. All fees go straight to liquidity pools. There are no platform fees at all. So wow, this is crazy. Their vision, why Cardano? Cardano is widely anticipated to become the new crypto standard setter. That is a really big statement right there. Investors recognize the network's potential to challenge the embedded status quo of monopolistic and bureaucratic power structures within the world of crypto. So that is another huge statement. Cardano is one of the better cryptos out of there. Like I was saying, Cardano has so many different use cases, just like Ethereum, that is just going to inevitably be number one. Even Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, even he has mentioned Cardano and the different use cases for Cardano and how useful it is. So let's keep reading here. Decentralized asset exchange, and this is them still talking about their vision for Adax and Cardano. So AMMs such as Adax offer an appealing alternative, bringing with them innovations in the decentralized finance with DeFi sector and fresh concepts for building contract-based DEX platforms. So Ethereum versus Cardano, or Ethereum v Cardano, the ERC20 standard was invented for Ethereum, and it is becoming more and more expensive. Cardano promises to cut those fees and speed up the transactions drastically. So they're saying Ethereum is about to be the new Cardano. That's pretty much what they're saying here. So why ERC20 bridge? Tokenization and the ERC20 token have gained popularity because of the enormous utility it provides in everyday business transactions. Well-designed ERC20 tokens address multiple utility options. Its adoption is a no-brainer. So the ADAX ecosystem, this is how they're pretty much setting it up here. Phase 1, when they're rolling it out, is 2021 early Q3, public IEO collaboration with Cardano Foundation, brand awareness campaign, standby for Cardano smart contracts. And phase 2 is 2021 Q3. We have liquidity framework development, swapping framework development, official launch of the platform. And then we have phase 3 at 2022 Q1, implementation of IOHK ERC20 bridge, cross-chain support, and white label solution. So they have an actual plan that they're actually going out here. And I've been seeing a lot of different cryptos been doing this lately, actually having a phase for every single thing that they're going to do and actually let everyone know how it's going to roll out. So ADAX is really about to help Cardano go to the moon. Really, Cardano has so much potential. Let's go over here and look at what we have for our market cap. So let's go ahead and take our circulating supply, right? And then take and multiply it by our target price, which is $10. That is $320 billion. And why I'm saying this is not too far-fetched, because Ethereum has the same kind of structure as Cardano. Ethereum was already way past that $350 billion point. Ethereum was actually around, I want to say 444 billion. I remember seeing it that high, and it was actually a little higher than that. So $320 billion Cardano is not far-fetched. Ethereum's at $306 billion right now. So that would bring us to $10 if we're at $320 billion. And mind you, that is only if no more Cardano was put into circulating supply. But remember, more Cardano is put into circulating supply until there's 45 billion Cardanos like completely out there. And right now we're at 32 billion. So if you think about it from the perspective of 45 billion, you would get a different answer every time. So you have to think about it like that too. But yeah, looking at it like that, Cardano could be at $10 very soon, and that would bring us at around a $320 billion market cap. So this could happen very soon, and I'm not saying like instantly, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But over time, Cardano is actually a long-term investment. If you go over here, you just see so many people talking about how Cardano is a long-term investment, because they're right. There's a lot of different things that a lot of people don't know about Cardano. So let's go over this. Invest in Cardano for its long-term growth. The dust has settled on last month's crypto market meltdown. Altcoin Cardano has started to recover from its recent losses. That is, we could see Cardano soon break out in a big way And like I said, this is a consolidation period. At the end of consolidation periods, we have a breakout. So that is something you really want to know about. So let's keep reading here. It says that we are on the way for a breakout. So how so? Ethereum US dollar may be the crypto most widely used in DeFi, decentralized finance transactions, but with several planned developments and upgrades just around the corner, we could see a wider expansion of this coin's usage, just like we just now seen in the previous articles, but the previous things that we've seen, Cardano and Adax. So add in the continued rotation into altcoins, and what do you get? The potential for Cardano, already the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and you can see that way back here, they are the 5th of market cap. So that is another big thing we have with Cardano. So add in the continued rotation into altcoins, and what do you get? The potential for Cardano, already the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, to rip the prices above its all-time highs around $2.46. Don't take this to mean ADA is unsinkable. There's no guarantee this will be bound, but I mean, they say there is no guarantee, but I definitely say that there is a guarantee. But let's keep on reading here. But yeah, I definitely believe there's a guarantee. But they say big chances coming for Cardano. And remember, the only way Cardano fails is if crypto as a whole fails. So that is all I'm going to say. If crypto as a whole fails, then obviously Cardano fails. But other than that, Cardano has too much going on for it to fail. And that's just the reality of it. And that's pretty much what they're saying here. So big chances coming for Cardano after last month's wild moves. Things have settled down. This altcoin rising star has experienced a partial rebound since reaching $1.05 on May 23rd, and now we are looking at $1.67 today. So what's the top catalyst coming up that could boost Cardano ADA? As has been the case since April, upcoming protocol upgrades to its network. These upgrades, which include features like smart contracts, pave the way for its wider use in DeFi transactions. So yes, their upcoming protocol upgrades for their network. Cardano has so much going on for it. So they're saying Cardano could soon cool, but the long-term bull case remains. So we definitely know a lot is going on with Cardano for the long term. So much is going on here. Let's keep reading. Let's see what we have here. But that's not all. Cardano is also moving ahead with other developments that will increase both its utility and its usage. For example, recent news of its launching a cross-chain bridge with the Nervos network. This by itself may be a needle mover, but this news further signals how this coin is continuing to charge ahead and has a shot at becoming a popular alternative to Ethereum in the blockchain economy. So yeah, this is a lot of stuff. And if you don't know, Nervos to build Cardano's first cross-blockchain bridge. So that is huge right there. The team behind Chinese blockchain Nervos are building a cross-chain bridge to connect with Cardano, which users to use both chains' native tokens interchangeably. So why it matters, the bridge could be a major boost for Nervos user number. So Cardano is the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency. Now we're at the 5th largest crypto. So yes, 5th largest with a 55.6 billion, but now we are obviously 53.8 billion. But it was made way back in, I don't know, June 3rd, 2 days ago. A lot happens in two days really. But yeah, almost 10 times. So look at this. The bridge could be a major boost for Nervos user numbers. Cardano is the world's 6th cryptocurrency with a $55.6 billion market cap, almost 10 times Nervos. So it will also grant Cardano developers access to Nervos development tools, which are oriented towards the growing field of decentralized finance. So it's going to help Cardano out a lot. And they also say investor rotation also points to higher prices. So improvements to its network aren't the only thing that could result in higher prices. Digital asset investors continue to rotate out of Bitcoin funds and into our altcoin funds, especially funds holding Cardano. So that is a huge statement right there. So they are saying, so should you assume another pullback isn't in the cards? I wouldn't go that far. Its prospects are some of the strongest out there. Okay, so they're saying that possibly it could, but possibly it could not. But honestly, what I believe is a small pullback, maybe over here. We already bottomed out at $1.60, not $1.60, but $1.06. We already bottomed out all the way down there. So I just don't see Cardano going any lower in the future just because of the fundamentals that we have going on with Cardano right now. So another thing, Vitalik Buterin discusses opinions on Cardano relationship with Charles Hoskinson. So he's been talking about it. So speaking candidly with Ferdman, Buterin said he had heard from people close to Hoskinson that Charles has clearly progressed and matured in a lot of ways. I guess they got some beef going on. Look, the Ethereum co-founder also had made it clear that the two have demonstrated their different approaches, where Buterin sees Ethereum as using more heuristic arguments. Cardano looks to academic proofs. So lots of stuff going on here with Cardano, technically and fundamentally. So we have so much stuff that can send us going to the moon right now. So Cardano is definitely predicted to go up. My prediction is $10, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So Cardano price prediction 2021. I mean, by the end of the year, by next year, sometime around next year, $10. We're definitely expected to have a $10 Cardano very soon. So Cardano price today is only $1.67, but definitely expected to be at $10. And Cardano Robinhood, I'm not sure if this is actually a thing, but this is definitely something that's been trending on the internet lately. So Cardano could be on Robinhood, and that is a huge major catalyst. Like they say, buy the rumors, sell the news, and this is a rumor, so I would definitely say this is a good rumor that's going around, because that could help send Cardano straight up. Safe moon Cardano price prediction 2030. Now 2030 Cardano will see $100 plus Cardano by then, or way past 100, probably $1,000 by 2030. That's a long time from now. That's a whole 9 years from now. So that could be like $1,000, you know, $10,000, and that's a long time from now. So you got to think about that. So yeah, we definitely know Cardano is going to go to the moon. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And remember, for a limited time only, Robinhood will be giving you 3 free stocks instead of 1 if you sign up. And definitely sign up for that. And I will be back with another video. Peace.